Guys, good afternoon. Oh. As of today, this is Lekki. Oh, Lekki phase 1. Almighty Lekki. Make una see water. Water enter everywhere. Oh. Water the rich person for Nyash. Inside Lekki estate. Guys, please let me like this video, share, comment. Oh, abeg talk am as e be.
My God, small rain, oh. Small rain everywhere. Now flood, water. Oh. Yeah. Lekki, what's up now? Yeah. See, I'm be like a stream, oh. Hey. Jesus, this thing is fucking. Guy, what's up? Lagos. Lagos, don't fuck me up. Guy. This is not. I'm not complaining when I go see my go back Abuja. But this is bad. She's stagnated water for years.
This is somewhere in Ogba, area G. I cannot even imagine. Oh God, who will offend for this country? Kalashe, who will offend? See police station. Mogbe.
Jesus, Oga, na you do me this one. Oga, what I don't reach my pennies though.
Every morning I wake up with empty.
I do something.
Pocket dry, nothing I feel sell. Like no day if you ain't I'm on go leave and life to go. School I go, I do it. Now I'm not drinking no, I go.
Now drunk they feel as though is the way you reach drop.
Small, but you don't do
yeah. I won't live for Lagos, I won't live for Lagos. You go do what that for Lagos. You go tell you to live for Lagos. Don't care. You go live for that. Them go feel it.
Where are you going?
No, because it's driving the truck, so
it doesn't matter now. You can't. You have to think about other people. How much they worry about? Scary. Like this is
very scary, actually. I can't believe this is a road.
Make sure I can enter Spa.
Yeah, you can.
Like this. This is deep.
This is even Spa Road in Lekki. Imagine other parts that definitely do not have drainage. Man.
Scary.
It is indeed scary. See, can you see? Wow.
Hello?
Wow. Because it's
coming to staircase. The flood is it's coming from under. See my estate though, guys. So let me hear your opinion. Should I continue to stay in this estate or make this one a car park? See, rain don't pass. Oh my God! See where prepare meter dey. Look at this rain has gone down small. Very bad experience, guys. Very bad experience. Very sad. Hey.